Hello guys, so we have some updates about the Somnia Testnet as well as the Pharos Testnet. So we have to meet this NFT as soon as you are seeing this video, because today is 11th of August and this ends by 12th of August for the Somnia Testnet. And also for the Pharos Testnet, there's an NFT that you have to do. Yeah, this is the Pharos Testnet. Pharos Testnet I'm talking about. As you can see, it's loaded. So to start with, from the update about the Somnia Testnet, so before going to the Pharos NFT meeting, so from their official what's it called, X, as you can see, there are only 2 days left to prove your humanity on Antenna. Log on to utena.xyz/Somnia, connect your credentials and get at least 30 humanity points to be verified. Note, meeting the NFT is optional and does not affect your qualification. Ends on 12th of August. So this is the update. So I click on the link and I have this page. So here is it. So here I'm just going to connect my wallet. The same wallet I'm using to farm the testnet is what I'm going to be connecting. So I don't want to hear stories. So I'm going to select MetaMask and proceed. So I've connected my wallet and I have, they said humanity points 1/4 and now increase humanity. Okay. And I'm just trying to read this. Then down. So this here, you see the humanity point is showing 0. So here account connected 8/13. So why haven't I gotten the humanity points? Points are the measure of how human you are. Higher the better. Gain at least 30 by fulfilling credentials below. I've connected. Let me just reconnect. Let me reconnect because I've connected 8/13 and that should have earned me 13, the 30 points already. So these are the socials you have to connect. The GitHub, the Forecaster, the Team Game, Telegram Premium, Discord Age, Twitter Reputation, Twitter X Premium, Uber Trips, Kaito Yaps, LinkedIn Connection. So let me click on this refresh for Telegram Premium and I'll just click on connect. So I'll just go ahead and connect my Telegram so that, because I don't know why they've not seen it. I've connected 8 accounts. Okay, so I'm trying to connect the GitHub and Discord. I think they have a requirement for that. Your Discord and GitHub has to have it. I don't know the requirements. Let me not just go into that. So I'll just go ahead and use Binance KYC instead. So to do this Binance KYC, this will give you 100 points. Just download ZK Pass on your phone or on your PC. Then log into your Binance on your PC. After you have downloaded the ZK Pass, you can see I have installed ZK Pass extension, browser extension. So if you have not installed it, once you click on this, you just click on Add to Chrome. We've been using ZK Pass for so many verification. I've done several videos on getting started with ZK Pass. If you did Layer Edge, a lot of them already, then you should be aware of ZK Pass. So you will need it to verify your Binance KYC so that you can get this done. So you can see I have humanity points of 116. Just with Binance KYC alone, you get 100 points. I think that's just straightforward. So you see, note, meeting your humanity on-chain is optional. It does not affect your airdrop eligibility. Okay. Congratulations on hitting 116 humanity points. Okay, my Somnia Utana. This NFT will cost me $3 worth of base Ethereum to meet, and they already made a clarification here. Meeting the humanity on chain is optional. It does not affect your airdrop eligibility. So they already made the clarification that it is optional to meet. So you might choose not to pay the $3 and just make sure you as long as you already have the minimum 30 humanity points. So if you meet, I don't know if there is any reward for meeting. If there is not, there is no point wasting my $3 here. But if there is reward, I don't mind meeting. So I'll just verify if there is any reward for meeting on chain. If there is not, I think I'm good with the points already, and that's all. So that's for the Somnia airdrop, the Somnia testnet information. You have to complete this before tomorrow, 12th of August 2025. So now to go to the Pharos NFT meeting too, I think there are a few tasks you have to do here too. So yeah, I'll just connect my wallet. Okay, why is it not bringing? Okay, let me select MetaMask. So I'm connecting the same wallet I'm using to farm the testnet here for this page. So let me just give you a walkthrough on this and see so we don't miss out on anything on these two testnets. Okay. I'll just click on confirm. So yeah, I'll just click on this the splits. Wait, let me okay, let's dive in. Then I'll click on this growth corporate bond, this split. Then next I'll click on my first combo. Let's see. So we are interacting on the Pharos Testnet now. And here is it, coupon token, active shield, principal token. Wait, what about market risk? Let's see. So let me click on this active shield and see. You have collected all 3 blocks. Okay, so I'll just click on you have crafted all 3 blocks, your custom. Then I'll click on craft my first combo. Combine the principal. Let's see what this. Okay, this processing, I don't know, is it taking forever? So yeah, I'll just click on this claim rewards. Congratulations, journey complete. Okay, you need to hold at least 100 composition PC or PS tokens to claim. I use this premium NFT. Okay, it said I need to hold this to claim. Then check, let me check my token balance. Alright, you need to hold at least old composition tokens. Am I holding? I don't know. Okay, I think I'm holding because it's now showing processing. Just see what I did. I don't know what they are checking, but they say you need to hold at least 100 composition PC or PS or CS token to claim. I don't even know what they mean by their PC or CS or whatever. Just click on that verify so that you can know if you are holding. You might have to visit their X account to know the meaning of this PC or PS. I don't know actually. I'm just seeing it. So and since I'm holding, it means I'm holding, and I just proceed. NFT metered. So I've claimed this Aquaflux NFT pioneer. Okay, they said this NFT satisfies you as an early explorer of Aquaflux, potentially granting special privilege in future. Okay, I don't know if they are directly affiliated with Pharos projects, but they are the one that brought this. I don't know. But since I was able to do it, then it's fine. It costs nothing. Everything we need here is on testnet. We didn't have to spend any mainnet tokens. So if you don't have the PCPS English that's saying, you can just Google it and know the meaning so that you know what you actually need. But I think if you have been participating on the Pharos Testnet, you've been doing daily checking, you've been claiming points, and you've been doing the on-chain swapping and all of that, then you should definitely have that PCPS and all of that. So you know, from this Pharos Testnet, we have tags to do here. All this swapping, all of this. So here is it. You can see swap, provide liquidity, test. So I think if you have been doing this, they've even added extra tags. So I'm seeing Pharos Identity Service. I'm seeing this Aquaflux. That's the one we just completed. And I'm seeing auto staking. This one is yet to unlock. So we have extra tags on this Pharos Testnet. Remember, we are currently in the season 2. So you might want to take it serious. So let me do this Pharos Identity Service and see what we have here. Thank God I even checked. I've not checked all this while. I'm just cleaning, checking. So if you don't have the PCCS, whatever English they are using there, come and do this swap, do this swapping, do this provide liquidity, send to friend, and do it consistently. Then you should be able to have that PCPS they are saying. I think that is what they mean actually. Maybe the Pharos points, I don't know. I don't just want to know. Or go ahead and check from their X account to verify what they mean. So guys, this is the update about all of this Somnia and Pharos Aquaflux task. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next one. Join my Telegram community. If you are just signing up on any of this, check the registration link in the description box of this video. You can still sign up on the, what's it called? The Somnia and this Pharos. So that's it. So we have this Bitcoin. It's okay. Let me search it. I think I've minted one. I don't know. I've minted this. This is registered. Your Web3 username on Pharos network. Okay, this is it. So all of these activities contribute to your PCPS token. I don't know that English. So that's it. Alright guys, see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, share to your downlines, share this video so that nobody will miss out on this testnet. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.